Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley, and today we're going to talk about what to expect with a sinus graft. So what a sinus graft is we perform this procedure when you don't have enough bone to place an implant because of your sinus there. So this is a perfect example of a case where there's some bone, but there's just not enough to place a decent sized implant in that spot. So instead of putting an implant in and having it poke up into the sinus there, we can actually do something to actually add bone, add support to that implant there. Because this patient, again, only about 5 millimeters of bone, not enough to place an implant that's solid enough to last them a very long time. So what we ended up and did was we actually did a sinus graft. So now what we're looking at is that patient after we did that sinus graft. So we did that bone graft inside the sinus here. We're able to actually go in through the side, place bone around that area, and place that implant same day. So we're able to do that and then let that implant solidify inside that nice solid bone until it basically becomes very firm, very strong, and then you can go ahead and you can get a crown on top of that once it's nice and strong. Usually that takes about 3 to 4 months for that bone to solidify. So that is a patient who before did not have enough bone for an implant and now has plenty of bone by performing a sinus graft.